Today we set up our seagrass restoration experiment. We're testing different planting techniques on tropical seagrasses to figure out which one has the highest success rate. So a few days ago we found this site that had a big bare space near an existing seagrass bed, which is the perfect spot for a restoration experiment. So today we started off by collecting a bunch of seagrass shoots from the nearby bed and some rocks and dead coral. Then we started outplanting, and it took us about 2 hours to create all of our restoration plots, but we finished just in time for lunch.